Understanding health insurance can be confusing, but OmniSalute is here to help. In this video, we'll explain what you need to know about this insurance program. These terms are important to understand so you can get the full benefits that come with your health insurance. This video has two parts. First, we'll start with explaining important terms. Then we'll talk about how you use your insurance to pay for medical care. Let's start with part 1, the important health insurance terms you should know. Let's start with your premium. This is the amount you pay for your health insurance every month. Think of it as a monthly membership fee for having your insurance plan. Whether or not you go to the doctor or hospital, you need to pay your premium to keep your insurance active. Copays are fixed amounts you pay when you receive a covered health service. For example, you might pay $25 for a doctor's visit or $15 for a prescription medication. Without insurance, that doctor's visit or medication would cost you much more. With insurance, you're only paying the copay amount. Copays are typically due at the time of the appointment or when you pick up your medication. Not all health plans use copays. If your plan does, the amount of your copay is typically listed on your insurance card. You can also call your insurance company or visit the company's website if you're not sure about your copay amounts. Next is the deductible. Your deductible is the amount you'll have to pay on your own for health services before insurance starts paying. In other words, you pay for doctor visits or other health services up to the amount of your deductible. Let's say your deductible is $1,000. Every time you go to the doctor or hospital, you pay for those visits yourself, but only until you reach $1,000 in a calendar year. Then, your coinsurance kicks in and covers a percentage of your costs. Coinsurance. After you've met your deductible, remember, that's the minimum amount you must spend before your insurance starts paying. You enter the coinsurance phase. Coinsurance is the percentage of the bill that you are responsible for paying on top of your deductible and before you reach your max out-of-pocket. For instance, if you have a health plan with a 20% coinsurance rate, you are responsible for paying 20% of the cost of your care. Your insurance covers the remaining 80%. Coinsurance is especially important if you have to go into the hospital, when bills can quickly mount to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. You might only be responsible for a fraction of the cost if you have insurance. The maximum out-of-pocket limit is important to understand. This is the most you will have to pay for covered health services in a calendar year. Your maximum out-of-pocket includes everything you have paid toward your deductible, coinsurance, and copays in the calendar year. Once you reach this maximum out-of-pocket limit, your insurance covers 100% of your covered healthcare costs for the rest of the year. Services not covered by your plan will still not be paid by your insurance. Now that we've covered all the important health insurance terms, let's talk about how you use your health insurance to pay for medical care. Understanding insurance costs. Okay, so how do deductibles, coinsurance, and maximum out-of-pocket fit together? They are payment phases you'll go through as you get health services throughout the year. Phase 1 is the deductible phase. This begins January 1st. Pay for services until you reach your deductible. Once you have met your deductible, you move into Phase 2, the coinsurance phase. Now, you pay a percentage of the cost of healthcare services, and your insurance pays the rest. Finally, once you've reached the yearly cap on what you have to pay, you enter Phase 3, the out-of-pocket maximum phase. Now your insurance covers 100% of costs for the rest of the year. We're almost at the end. Just a few more terms to cover, and you'll have all you need to fully unlock your benefits. Understanding in-network and out-of-network providers is vital. When searching for a healthcare provider, it is important to look for in-network care. In-network providers are doctors, hospitals, pharmacies, and specialists your insurance plan has partnered with to provide services at a lower cost. If you decide to go to an out-of-network provider, you may have to pay a lot more for that care on your own, possibly even the full amount. Your insurance company can tell you which healthcare providers are in-network. Claims and explanation of benefits. A health insurance company claim is a request your healthcare provider makes to your insurance company to pay for medical services you received. Your insurance company reviews the claim and then sends you a document called an explanation of benefits, which shows the details of what your insurance company paid your doctor for those services and any amount you are responsible for paying. If you owe anything, you'll receive a separate bill for that amount. Appeal. Sometimes your insurance might deny a claim if they don't think the services you received are covered by your plan. If you believe they denied your claim by mistake, you can appeal the decision, asking your insurance company to review and reconsider their decision or contact the Division of Insurance Consumer Services team. By learning these terms, you now understand your plan better and can make smart choices about your care. If you have any questions about your benefits or coverage, just contact your insurance company. Watch the rest of our videos and discover how you can open up a world of better care and smarter choices.